Good morning, dear students. Today we are having a concept to discuss integrated marketing communication. So, in last classes, we discussed about what is communication, what is marketing communication, objectives, tools, and communication process, and all. Now we are going to actual concept of what exactly the integrated marketing communication. So for many years the promotional functions in most companies were dominated by mass media advertising. So advertising was playing a vital role for any services and the product marketing thing. But small companies and the medium scale companies and the sole traders were sometimes not affordable to the advertisings actually. So the content writing, the space available, development of the advertisements, so all these costs are not affordable by many people. So this was one of the dominated media and one of the dominated tool used before to promote or to communicate about the product and services. So in today many company are taking a different approaches to marketing and promotion. So they are going to concentrate on integrated of advertising effort where very other communication tools and communication techniques are going to be used. Varieties of communication tools and communication techniques are available now because everything in our fingertip. We'll be coming to know about the product and services in many way actually. So what are that tools and technique used by marketers nowadays? In the sense, these are all some tools, websites on their internet. So internet is playing a vital role now again to make not only the awareness about the product and services. We will be updating ourselves as an individual. We will be getting ourselves about many things. So in that company and marketers also play a very important role in developing their own websites and accessibilities of information through that website regarding their product and services they are doing. And direct marketing, sales promotion. So of course some set of product categories are going to be promoted using a website where a personal touch and personal feeling is not required. But when it comes to some durable products and some services especially, there we have to do the direct marketing and the sales promotion where demonstration of the product is very important and where services is very important during that particular time. Some other categories of products really required a sales promotion and the direct marketing. So depending upon the product nature, nowadays companies started using a varieties of communication tools and techniques. And the publicity we have, public relations we have, and even sponsorships we have many other tools also. According to the research, there are 54 marketing strategies, 54 marketing strategy and 54 marketing tools where indirectly or directly without knowing a terminologies the marketers are using. So in that majorly we are looking into such kind of tools and techniques where communication is happening about the product and services. So they are also recognizing that these communication tools are more effective when they are coordinating with the other elements of marketing program. So rather depending upon one particular advertising tools and techniques or promotional tools and techniques, now a trend is coordinating with many other communication tool. Combination of many other communication tools is going to give a better output and good image towards to the organization. So this picture is going to be give some idea what exactly integrated marketing communication. It is a combination of more two or more communication tools and communication technique is called as a integrated marketing communication in order to communicate about the product and services of the organization. It may be advertising, sales promotion, direct marketing, public relation, unconventional tool, and interactive tools. These are some example I quoted. Let me understand what is exactly the standard definition given by American Association of Advertising Agencies. Okay, this is also called as 4 A's. 4 A's. Okay, so American Association of Advertising Agency defines integrated marketing communication as is a concept of marketing communication planning that recognize the added value of a comprehensive plan that evaluates the strategic role of a variety of communication disciplines. For example, general advertising, direct response, sales promotion, and public relation, and combine these disciplines to provide clarity, consistency, and maximum communication. So, this according to this definition, we are going to have a clarity that the integrated marketing communication, it is not only having a purpose of communicating of about the product and services. It is going to develop a discipline towards a clarity, consistency, and maximum communication in the sense reaching for a huge customer, a big target customers in a market. So another definitions are also there. What exactly the integrated marketing communication means? It is a process for planning, executing, and monitoring the brand message that create customer relationship. And one more, it ensures that all forms of communication and messages are carefully linked together. So while linking together, take example of advertisement and direct marketing. If it is linked together, you need to have a reason why I should link advertising and direct marketing only. Why this combination is very much suitable for the organization? Is the nature of the product is going to be support to have such kind of integrated marketing communication? Advertising and direct marketing is good for my kind of product. A company kind of a product is really necessary in a market, or I should go with a different set of tool. I take example that personal selling or sponsorship, which is suitable according to the profile and the nature of the product produced by the organization. That is why they are told that it is a carefully linked together. Messages are carefully linked together. It is not just a willingness of the organization, or we cannot going to call that two or more communication tools combined together, it is going to deliver a effective messages. Sometimes a combination of different communication tools and technique is also a very carefully need to be designed in order to serve the purpose of organization. So it is not so easy making a combination and linking together and presenting that in front of the customers. So careful design and selection need to be done when you are choosing your own media in integrated marketing communication. Next is objectives of integrated marketing communication. We are having two major objectives of IMC. So in that first one, to coordinate all the company's marketing and promotional efforts. So it is going to be coordinate with marketing activities and the promotional efforts of the organization. That is what the major intention of IMC. Okay, why it is making a combination of two or more communication tools and technique means in order to coordinate with the marketing activity and promotional activities of the organization. Next one is to develop more suitable and effective method to contact customers. That is what in a previous slide we discussed. It is going to make a linkage between two communication techniques or the tool. So the object is also going to talk about the same thing. It is going to develop a more suitable and effective method to contact a customers. Effective way, it should make some influence, it persuade the customers to take some decision either to purchase a product or not to purchase a product. In such a way the suitable tools need to be developed. And other objectives of IMC in the sense to develop a brand awareness, obviously using a media's different set of communication tools and techniques. We are going to create the awareness about the brand. We are going to increase the demand of the product and services. We are going to change the consumer attitudes and enhance purchase action. also. So customer attitude also going to be changed, in the sense when you are keep on giving information and awareness about the product and services using many communication tools and techniques, it is going to make an impact on a customers that to turn towards to your product and services. So it is having an intention of changing a customer attitude, probably positively. Okay, so when for you it will become a positive change, and for other company it may become a negative change. And enhance purchase action also. So don't let the customers to postpone the purchase activity. It ensure that customers are going to make a purchase action again and again or frequently. So that is some of the other objectives of IMC. So next is to encourage a repeat purchase. So as I told you, to encourage repeat purchase because of recalling and recognizing and not letting the customers to forget about the brand. And next one is enhanced brand image and increase market share. When the customers start purchasing repeatedly and frequently, it is going to create a demand, and it is going to increase the supply, and it increase in a sales volume, and cyclical process of generation of profit is going to be start. Obviously it is going to increase the market share. When customers are leaving some other products and coming to our products to purchase, in the sense is definitely increasing the market share of that particular product and share. So these are all some of the objectives of integrated marketing communication. Some characteristics of integrated marketing communications are: this brings about synergy and better use of communication funds. Okay, so better use of communication funds, in the sense where if you are taken in example advertisement and direct selling. Okay, advertisement will be having some allocation of fund, and direct selling will be having allocation of the fund. Even though if you are running under loss, no response or less response through advertisement, but more response in a direct selling, in the sense it is for managing the fund allocated for communication purpose or for the promotion purpose. So managing a fund allocated for the communication is possible. Or if you depends on only advertisement, it is going to be incur a loss, because responsiveness towards to your advertisement is less, in the sense whatever the fund you are investing there, it is going to be loss. So if you have an integrated marketing communication, definitely you will be having an opportunity to utilize the fund in a effective way. It balance the push and pull strategy. Okay, so push strategy, customers, company is pushing a product and services to force the customers, force in the sense make the customers to purchase. Pull strategy, in the sense customers are ready to purchase the product. So it is going to balance both push strategy and the pull strategies of the marketing. And next one is strategically integrate various function of communication. So various function of communication, in the sense in advertisement we are having many contents, colors, message development and delivery of the advertisement time, everything. But in a direct selling also will not be having all the attributes of advertising what they are doing. The direct selling activity will be different. So we are need to train a personal seller, and we need to give a compensation, we need to give a incentives. The attributes are different here. But it is going to strategically integrate various function of the communication. That's okay, they are going to manage and balance it. So next characteristics is by coordinating marketing communication, company can avoid duplication of the work. Okay, so improve the company's ability to reach the right customer at the right place at the right time with the right messages. So ultimately, why the company is producing a product and services, in the sense in order to sell it to the customers. Of course they are having a customers, but your products are not available during a right time and during a right place, and it is not delivering the right messages. Obviously, even though the customers were not receiving a product in a right time, they are not going to purchase it. So you plan communication channels in such a way it should reach to the right customer, right place, right time, and with the right messages. So that care is going to be taken care by the integrated marketing communication. We are having some models on integrated marketing communication. We are going to discuss that in a next class. Thank you all.